Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today we are going to learn everything about the COI, Complément d'Objet Indirect. If you remember last week we saw the COD and the DOP, Complément d'Objet Direct, and the Direct Object Pronouns. So this video and all the videos I'm going to talk about today are all going to be in the description box. So like I said, today we are going to see the COI, Complément d'Objet Indirect. And we are also going to see the Indirect Object Pronoun. Next week we'll see how to use them together, because they have a specific order in a sentence. So that's all for next week. This video, like the one last week, is quite heavy to learn. So this is going to be divided in 4 different subjects. All the subjects you can find the timing in the description box. If you want to go back or if you want to only watch a part of it now and the rest later, it's up to you, but here they are. First we are going to see the COI, Complément d'Objet Indirect. Then we are going to see the IOP Indirect Object Pronoun. Then we are going to do a little bit of practice, and after that I will give you the verb that takes an IOP. And don't forget that at the end of the month my pronunciation course is coming out. If you are on my mailing list, you will get 20% off. Alright, let's start the lesson. So, the complément d'objet indirect. How do we find the complément d'objet indirect? We find it by asking the question à qui, à quoi. So if you remember last week with the COD, the direct, the question were quoi and qui. Well, now it's à qui, à quoi. There are other ones more complicated than that, but for a beginner intermediate level, this is good enough. So a sentence with a COI will usually be like this: subject, verb, COD, COI. Usually, okay? It's not 100% of the time, but most likely it's going to be like this. Unless it's an IOP, unless it's a pronoun. Let's see an example. Il donne un cadeau à sa sœur. Il donne un cadeau à sa sœur. So we ask the question, il donne un cadeau à qui? Il donne un cadeau à qui? À sa sœur, to his sister. So à sa sœur is the COI. Let's see another one. Elle lit un livre à son frère. Elle lit un livre à son frère. So if we ask the question, elle lit un livre à qui? The answer is à son frère. So à son frère is the COI. Now let's see the IOP, the Indirect Object Pronoun. It is simply the COI under the form of a pronoun. Let's see a sentence in English with the COI and the IOP, so you understand better before moving into French. So, she is reading a book to her brother. If we take the COI to her brother and we turn that into a pronoun, she is reading him a book. Him is the pronoun that we are looking for today. So we are going to learn this kind of pronoun in French. So when in English you say me, we say me or M apostrophe. When in English you say you, we say te or T apostrophe. When in English you say him or her, we just say lui. When you say us, we say nous. When you say you, we say vous. And when you say them, we say leur. Okay? So let's see the one that we just saw in English, but in French. Elle lit un livre à son frère. Elle lit un livre à son frère. So à son frère is the COI, you remember? So if we take this one and we turn it into a pronoun, it's going to turn into elle lui lit un livre. Elle lui lit un livre. So, the pronoun is always before the verb. That's very important. Always before the verb. Let's practice. Il donne un cadeau à sa sœur. Il donne un cadeau à sa sœur. So, il donne un cadeau à qui? À sa sœur. À sa sœur is the COI. So, it's only one person and it's a feminine noun. So, it's going to be lui. Il lui donne un cadeau. Il lui donne un cadeau. Lui before the verb. Let's see another one. Elle pose une question aux enfants. Elle pose une question aux enfants. Elle pose une question à qui? Aux enfants. Aux enfants is the COI. It's a masculine plural, so it's going to be leur. Elle leur pose une question. Elle leur pose une question. Now let's see all the different pronouns in a sentence. It's going to be a very basic sentence. So if I say, he is talking to me, it's going to be in French. Il me parle. Il me parle. If I say he is talking to you, il te parle. Il te parle. He is talking to her or him, il lui parle. Il lui parle. He is talking to us, il nous parle. Il nous parle. He is talking to you as few people or just someone who you have to show respect to. Il vous parle. Il vous parle. And the last one, he is talking to them. Il leur parle. Il leur parle. Now let's see the verbs that take an IOE. It's basically the verb followed by the preposition à with accent. The first one, acheter à, emprunter à, prêter à, offrir à, rendre à, donner à, vendre à, dire à, parler à, demander à, téléphoner à, and écrire à. Like I said, it's only a sample. There are way more than that. If you want to try to make a sentence with a COE and a IOP, please do in the comment section. I will be more than happy to check if you got it right. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, it really helps me. And I will see you soon for another lesson.